What's up, everybody? Eddie Dodgen with Cooking is Amazing. I know I asked you earlier on Facebook if you wanted a pineapple margarita recipe. Well, here it is. It's quick, it's simple. It's got 4 liquids to it and then a little bit of fresh pineapple. So first, 2.5 cups pineapple juice. This makes 8. And also, this recipe is on my Pinterest page, so you can go there and find it. So now we got lime juice. I got 2 cups of lime juice. And I think I said lime, but it's lime. Lime. Now we got triple sec, 2 cups. And then 2 cups of white tequila. Whatever brand you prefer. Everything in one picture. Now we're going to add some fresh pineapple. I went ahead and chopped this up a moment ago and just want to mix it a little bit. A few pineapples in a glass. There you have it. You can serve that over ice however you want it. That's delicious. Y'all give it a try for yourself. Thanks. Love y'all.